Hello friends, in this tutorial, I want to share with you ideas on how to make a wet balloon from a bobo balloon. So let's get started. I use an 18-inch bobo balloon. I'm putting a bobo balloon on a homemade funnel that I made out of a plastic bottle. I pour about 100 milliliters of cold water into a bobo balloon, put an 18-inch pink balloon in a bobo balloon and inflate it. I tie a pink balloon and then a bobo balloon. Please note that the bobo balloon is inflated a little more, so I let the water move inside the balloon. It is very important not to inflate balloons larger than their factory size, otherwise the walls of the balloons will become thin and the balloon can quickly burst from any touch or friction. Look at the water droplets inside the balloon. Now I'm going to continue the decor and make Patrick's star friend out of this balloon. I almost completely inflated the green balloon for modeling at the end of the balloon, made 2 pinch twists and fixed the balloons around the body of Patrick. I made the legs out of a piece of pink balloon for modeling size to 160 and a 12-inch green balloon. I inflate a pink balloon with about 5 fingers. I inflate the green balloon with 6 full pumps, tie the balloons together and make a pinch twist. I make hands out of a pink modeling balloon size to 160. I make 2 bubbles the size of 8 fingers, tie them together, then make a third bubble of the same size, tie it, cut off the excess, and place the third bubble between the first 2 and fix. It is very convenient to glue all the parts using glue dots or double-sided adhesive tape. I'll add some decor, and the figure is ready. The balloon turned out to be very durable. It can be turned over, rotated, and moved. The water will overflow inside the balloon and funny droplets will appear. Thank you for watching us.